Welcome to the platform. Today we have an exciting initial equation that we are required to find the value of m, given that m raised to the power of m raised to the power of 3 is equal to 729. So let's find solution to the problem together. First, I'm going to write down the question. Okay, the first thing we are going to do here is to take the cube of both sides of the equation. Okay, so if we take the cube of both sides of the equation, we have something like this. Here we cube it again. Okay, now on the left hand side, what we are going to look at is the terms in the parentheses. Okay, this m, this first one is the base, and this m and the power 3 here are the exponent. What we're going to do, we're going to multiply these two exponents together, this m and 3, because the law of indices allows us to do this. Okay, so let's go ahead and multiply these two exponents together. We will now have m raised to the power of m times 3 is going to give us 3m. All right, then raised to the power of 3 is equal to 729 raised to the power of 3. Okay, I would like us to be familiar with the law of indices that says that if we have, say, a raised to the power of mn, this can be equally expressed as a raised to the power of m times n exponent, or a raised to the power of n times m exponent. On the left hand side, we are going to apply this law. This is the format we have now, which is equivalent to this. We are going to transit from this format to this format. So what is going to happen now? We are going to move this m out of the parentheses. Okay, so we will now have m raised to the power of 3. Then this will be the base now. Then this m coming out of the parentheses will appear here, raised to the power of 3. Okay, is equal to 729 raised to the power of 3. Okay, so we will now have, still retaining what I have on the left hand side, is equal to this 729. We can express it in an index form as 3 raised to the power of 6, because if you multiply 3 6 times, you are going to have 729. Okay, now I still retain what I have on the left hand side. Okay, 3 raised to the power of this 6, we can split it as 2 times 3. Okay, because 2 times 3 is going to give us 6. Okay, now on the right hand side, we are going to apply the same law of indices we applied earlier. Okay, what is going to happen now is that this 3, we are going to bring it out of the parentheses to multiply this 3 that is already here. Okay, right, so I will retain what I have on the left hand side. It's equal to 3 raised to the power of 2, and this 3 will come out of the parentheses to multiply the 3 that is already in the exponent. Okay, now we will now have m raised to the power of 3 on the left hand side. M raised to the power of 3 again is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2, that is 3 times 3, and that is going to give us 9, and 3 times 3 is also going to give us 9. Okay, now the base, we have that m raised to the power of 3 equals 9, and the exponent, we have that m raised to the power of 3 is equal to 9. So we are going to use one of these expressions now to solve for m. So we will now have that m raised to the power of 3 is equal to 9. So if we take the cube root of both sides of the equation, this cube here, we cancel out the cube root radical, and we have that m is equal to the cube root of 9. So that is the value of m. So thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.